Why wait months or longer for new construction? This 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is better than new and offers many upgrades that the builder does not. See floor plan and photos. Why drive to the beach when you have a 5-acre Crystal Lagoon minutes from your doorstep? The lagoon offers kayaking, paddleboarding, a splash pad island, poolside cabanas, sand volleyball, a swim-up bar, and more. Still prefer the beach? A 40-minute car ride will get you to Sarasota's world-famous Gulf beaches. Stepping through the glass-paned front door, you will immediately notice the owner's upgrades in this home. From the beautiful lights and ceiling fans to the wainscoting and accent walls, you will get a sense of how well maintained this home is. As you walk towards the kitchen and family room, the custom-built wrought-iron staircase will steal your attention. In addition to the visual upgrades, you will find a 2-tank Culligan water softener in the garage, an ADT Security system with 2 control panels, the second is in the master bedroom, and a Ring Pro doorbell along with 2 Ring spotlight cameras. Downstairs you will find a massive kitchen with a dining area overlooking the family room and half bath. The kitchen has a huge walk-in pantry along with an additional butler's pantry. There is more countertop and cabinet space than you will know what to do with. If you walk out the sliding glass doors, you will step onto a screened-in back porch leading to a large fenced backyard with beautiful palm tree views. There is 1 bedroom downstairs with an attached full bath, perfect for a guest suite. You will also find a large flex room as soon as you walk in the front door. The large understairs closet, along with a smaller closet beside the half bath, will give you plenty of storage without taking up space in the garage. Upstairs you will find 4 bedrooms, including the master suite. The master bathroom has his and her walk-in closets, a huge double sink vanity, a garden tee,